In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset or adjust paper money balance in ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the ThinkorSwim desktop app, and then you want to go ahead and go to monitor up here, which is going to be the first tab up here. And then in here, you can see it says your position statement over here, and then your account status okay to trade. So at the very right over here, just of course above cash and sweep vehicle and everything over here, together with the available dollars, it's going to say adjust account. Now if you don't see this, make sure you go up here where it says account, and then if you have all accounts selected, for example, this is not going to be showing. As you can see right now, it's not showing over here, so make sure you either select your margin or your IRA account over here. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and select margin, and then here you want to click on adjust account, and then of course it's going to be on your margin account, and here you can set the account cash to, and then you have to select how much you want. So it can be current, default, or it can be 25,000, 50, 100,000, 125,000, or 150,000. So here you have to select whatever you want. Then you want to click on apply, or you can also reset all balances and positions if you want to. And after you've done that, you hit apply, and that way you've successfully set or adjusted your paper money balance on ThinkorSwim. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.